Well, hello. On this episode, it's frisky, so we're going to install the heat. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. On today's episode, we are installing the diesel heater. The reason for that is the weather is not on our side. We want to do the roof episode, but I can't be painting the roof and doing the sealant and adhesive, all that stuff when it's -2 overnight. So we're going to put a pin in the roof episode, and we're just going to jump into that diesel heater episode. It's going to keep the van nice and warm and only going to help us down the line. I didn't think we were going to need it before the summer, but yeah, here we are. The products we're going to be using was a Amazon cheapy diesel heater. This one's 5 kilowatt to 8 kilowatt. We're going to put the link here so you can see the products. It came fully equipped. Everything should be in there. We did buy an extra turret to make a bigger hole because we have a thick floor. So I'll explain all that in the video. Yeah, let's go. We'll do it step by step with you guys. All right, so we're going to start with the diesel tank. We need to tap in the fitting for it because it needs fuel. It comes with the kit, all in a little baggie. It's a fitting. We got to drill a hole. 1/4 inch is what we're going to use. Vice grips. This. Dental floss. Let's get at it. Done deal. And blow it out. Okay, now we're going to do the YouTube trick with the dental floss. Piece of dental floss. In there. Gotta put it all in there. Come on. Come on. Frisky this morning. Fingers don't operate like they want. The sun's beautiful, so we have that on our side. There we go. So it came out the other end. So I'll get you to hold that tight. Okay. What we want to do now is we will put our O-ring on this piece. There we go. We are going to run this through here. And hold on to that. I'll hold on to this.
Ready?
Let it fall. Yeah, where are we at here?
We're around here.
Okay, so a little tighter. Hold on tight. Pull. Oh, we went the long way around, eh? Okay.
Oh, there you go. Pull on it.
There we go. All right, so now that it came out here, I could probably just grab it. There we go. So what we want to do is put a pair of vice grips. Can you hold the tank, babe? Thank you. So it stays in camera angle. Now we are going to grab onto this, and we are going to rotate. We're going to try to go righty-tighty. At least get some thread started in here so I can put the nut on. Okay, we got something going here.
I see it.
Okay.
Right. Okay, you're almost at the seal. There's no more thread.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. While you're out now.
Yo.
They can't really see. So now we're going to put the nut on. O-ring first. that. And we are going to tighten this nut, which will seal the diesel. One more for the left. I believe that is an install fitting. Just a little crooked, but. Alrighty, so now that the fitting is installed in the tank, we have decided to install it on the side here. It'll give me great access to go to the fuel pump and the diesel heater underneath. I will be able to put an inline filter attached here, which is very serviceable, and more importantly, I can top her off just with the side door here. Now, I've heard that the fumes, because it is a vented tank, may be an issue, but we'll deal with that down the line. The kit came supplied with all the hardware you need. These little guys, 1/4-inch drive. So yeah, let's get at it. There's one. Two. Three. There we go. Tank installed. Okay, guys. So yeah, we're gonna close the door here, see if it fits. Look at that. Got a whole bunch of room in here if we want to upgrade to a 15-liter tank.
Say hi.
All right, so we are going to run everything that needs to go under the van, which is the fuel pump, the fuel line, and the power cables for the fuel pump. Alrighty, now that the power wire has been ran through to the pump, we are going to run the fuel line. Everything is supplied with the kit. It's a little on the cheap side, but we're going to run with it. It's easily accessible here. So yeah, let's start with the El Cheapo fuel filter. Okay, this is where we're thinking on putting the diesel heater itself. The unit itself will be under the bed, and it appears that the wires are going to be maybe too short. So we need to punch a massive hole in the floor. So we better be sure on where we want this stuff.
Hello. Hi.
There's a poop hole. Straight to the pooper, guys.
Well, now. Hi.
Well, hello. Okay, so intake, exhaust, and fuel. So we gotta run these things in here first. already, and we did not too bad. So now we need to, before we attach it to the floor, we will need to silicone all around here. That way it's sealed from outside. So we're going to be using the yep, that stuff. Not sponsored by them, but okay, so we're gonna attach the heater to the floor. Oh, maybe not, because everything's coming apart. Okay, last fuel line to connect. Okay. Run the body ground. Oh, today's been a struggle, guys, but we'll get her done. Okay, and inverter ground. Which I fucked up doing that. Alright, gotta run that here. There we go, just like that. Underneath this guy. And up here. I believe that will complete.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so everything got installed and we plugged it in. plugged the controller on, and it was giving us a E4 code, which meant the oil pump / fuel pump. Got in touch with the company, the Chinese company, and they told me to check the oil pump. So, anyways, I knew it was stuck. I should have done this from the start. So I fucking hit on it like it owed me money with these little guys. Yeah, they're little ones, so I knew I could hit pretty hard. And little behold, we got something going on. So this will be the first startup with you guys. So I don't know this controller at all. Let's do priming, because I do have a primer button. I hear it. I hear it prime down there. There we go. Oh, here we go. We got a fan going.
We got heat!
Whew, it's hot in here. Yeah, we didn't let that diesel heater win on us. It was somewhat of an easy install, except for the end there where it threw us that oil pump code, the E4, but I just got underneath there and I beat it like it owed me money. And there you go, man. She started right up. We're right about 24 degrees right now, which is toasty.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. There is going to be more. Stay around.
Well, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an episode. Peace.
Peace.